Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge Reading Passage, preface to How the Other Half Thinks, Adventures in Mathematical Reasoning. First 27 to 34 questions are to find out the paragraph from which the given statements have been taken. First statement is a reference to books that assume a lack of mathematical knowledge, ऐसी books जिसमें mathematical knowledge की कमी है. This statement has been taken from paragraph D. Let's see in the paragraph. Other scientists have written books to explain their fields to non-scientists, but have necessarily had to omit the mathematics. Omit का मतलब हटा देना. Next question is the way in which this is not a typical book about mathematics. किस संदर्भ में ये एक typical mathematics के बारे में नहीं है. This statement has been taken from paragraph B. Let's see in the paragraph. In that respect, this book differs from most books on mathematics. Next question is personal examples of being helped by mathematics. Mathematics से help के personal examples. This information has been given in paragraph G. Let's see in the paragraph. A lawyer made the same point. Although I had no background in law, not even one political science course, I did well at one of the best law school. I attribute much of my success there to having learned through the study of mathematics. Next question is examples of people who each had abilities that seemed incompatible. ऐसे लोगों के examples जिनकी abilities बेजोड़ हैं. This statement has been taken from paragraph C. Let's see in the paragraph. The alleged gap can be narrowed or completely overcome by anyone, in part because each of us is far from using the full capacity of either side of the brain. To illustrate our human potential, I cite a structural engineer who is an artist, an electrical engineer who is an opera singer who published mathematical research and a mathematician who published short stories. Next question is mention of different focuses of books about mathematics. Mathematics के बारे में books के different focuses. This statement has been taken from paragraph B. Let's see in the paragraph. One of my purposes in writing this book is to give readers who haven't had the opportunity to see and enjoy real mathematics the chance to appropriate the mathematical way of thinking. I want to reveal not only some of the fascinating discoveries, but more importantly, the reasoning behind them. Next question is a contrast between reading this book and reading other kinds of publication. इस book और दूसरी books को पढ़ने में अंतर. This information has been taken from paragraph A. Let's see in the paragraph. This book presents the details that illustrate the mathematical style of thinking, which involves sustained, step-by-step analysis, experiments, and insights. You will turn these pages much more slowly than when reading a novel or a newspaper. Next question is a claim that the whole of the books is accessible to everybody. Book सभी की पहुंच में है. This statement has been taken from paragraph A. Let's see in the paragraph. Each of the 8 chapters in this book illustrates this phenomenon. Anyone can understand every step in the reasoning. Next question is a reference to different categories of intended readers of this book. इस book को पढ़ने वाले अलग-अलग categories के readers. This statement has been taken from paragraph F. Let's see in the paragraph. This book also serves readers who simply want to sharpen their analytical skills. Many careers, such as law and medicine, require extended, precise analysis. Next 35 to 40 questions are to complete the sentences by using only single word. First question is some areas of both music and mathematics are suitable for someone who is a dash. Mathematics and music के कुछ areas किन लोगों के लिए suitable हैं? Let's see in the paragraph. Occasionally, in some difficult musical compositions, there are beautiful but easy parts so simple a beginner could play them. So it is with mathematics as well. So its answer is beginner. Next question is it is sometimes possible to understand advanced mathematics using no more than a limited knowledge of dash. कई बार ऐसा भी possible है कि किसी चीज की थोड़ी नॉलेज से भी एडवांस मैथमेटिक्स को समझा जा सकता है. Let's see in the paragraph. There are some discoveries in advanced mathematics that do not depend on specialized knowledge, not even on algebra, geometry, or trigonometry. Instead, they may involve, at most, a little arithmetic. So its answer is arithmetic. Next question is the writer intends to show that mathematics requires dash thinking as well as analytical skills. मैथमेटिक्स में एनालिटिकल स्किल्स और किसी चीज की जरूरत होती है. Let's see in the paragraph. I hope this book will help bridge that notorious gap that separates the two cultures, the humanities and the sciences, or should I say the right brain intuitive and the left brain analytical, numerical. So its answer is intuitive. Next question is, some books written by Dash have had to leave out the mathematics that is central to their theories. किन्होंने कुछ बुक्स लिखी हैं जिन्होंने मैथमेटिक्स को अपनी थियरी में से निकाल दिया है. Let's see in the paragraph. Other scientists have written books to explain their fields to non-scientists, but have necessarily had to omit the mathematics, so its answer is scientists. Next question is, the writer advises non-mathematical readers to perform dash while reading the book. Writer non-mathematical readers को इस बुक को पढ़ने के दौरान कुछ करने की सलाह देता है. Let's see in the paragraph. You will turn these pages much more slowly than when reading a novel or a newspaper. It may help to have a pencil and paper ready to check claims and carry out experiments. So its answer is experiments. Next question is, a lawyer found that studying dash helped even more than other areas of mathematics in the study of law. एक लॉयर ने पता लगाया कि इस चीज को पढ़ने से आपको लॉ में मैथमेटिक्स से कई ज्यादा हेल्प मिलती है. Let's see in the paragraph. A lawyer made the same point. Although I had no background in law, not even one political science course, I did well at one of the best law schools. I attribute much of my success there to having learned, through the study of mathematics, and in particular, theorem, how to analyze complicated principles. So its answer is theorems. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.